Kubor nagaslem jong unongsan Hima.
UMP Kashlong ubadairu Presiden ke Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee uba Vincent H. Pala hakas ngitho dieng ulaong baun ang Pyndem haka BJP watla ki babun ki MLA bat kinong tray kaseng Congress kila Pyndem. Habakren syakilat pathai kubor uba Pala ulaong bakaseng Congress kan tray shitom nang neshakman bakan la ban khekle khamtam haka election ka Banlong House nem ubanwan. Ulaong ru baki MLA Congress kila shet kelaya kaseng bat khamtam yakinong tray bat nong karshan.
The fact because of the BJP, we never work together with the BJP. Ideologically, we are in contrast. Previous and now also, they have betrayed the workers or the Congress workers. The mandate was given to them with the sweats, hard work of the party workers, so they left. They have betrayed the party, they betrayed the workers.
So how confident are you?
I am very, very confident.
Because from 21 seats now it's nil.
No, this doesn't happen only to me. It happens to, I never wanted to be a president of the party. It's these MLAs who went and called we should change the president. I was one of the leaders who said that why should we keep on changing? But these MLAs said no, we should change, and they went and told me you should come. So once I face it, I'll not surrender. I face it at any cost. It's not the time for me to say I'll resign or I'll face it till the end, till 2023. The result we will see in 23, whether we lose or not, whether public are with us or not. But honestly, genuinely, we'll fight elections, and we are not ready to surrender. I'm not ready to surrender. I'm not ready to succumb under the ill device of the BJP. Many of our leaders, many of our MLAs, many workers also has been succumbed to the pressure and to the design of the BJP. So me and few of my friends, even the youth presidents, youth general secretaries, vice president, we are ready to face it till we see what the outcome of election 2023.